Atlanta CNN. Former President Donald Trump's lawyers in Georgia election crash case are preparing to defend their clients for first time in Fulton County courtroom on Friday, as they try to ensure charges are dropped on grounds of First Amendment. The historic indictment, including heavy blackmail charges against Trump and 18 other defendants in August, is one of the many legal cases facing the former president, but he and his alleged accomplices face a total of 20 state charges in Georgia for trying to disrupt legitimate election results in the 41st presidential election. Since indictment, 4 of the other defendants, including 3 of their former lawyers, have made agreements with prosecutors to accept crime and testify against Trump in exchange for staying out prison. The remaining 15 defendants, including Trump, have not pleaded guilty. What to look out for in Friday's expanding hearing. Trump's Georgia lawyers claim First Amendment at Friday's motion hearing. Trump's lawyers are scheduled to hear his arguments why they want to cancel the indictment on grounds of the First Amendment, according to a recently submitted motion by his last lawyer, former president, once represented by the so-called billion-dollar lawyer Drew Findling, who was Trump's opposition and Democrat. He is now represented by the famous Atlanta criminal defense attorney Steven Sadow and Atlanta defender Jennifer Little. While his clients will not be with them, Trump's lawyers will appear in court for the first time in the Fulton County case. Trump hasn't yet gone to the Atlanta court. He had previously waived his right to a trial, but his actions were taken at Fulton County Prison in late August in an appeal Monday. Sadow argued Trump had sold conspiracy theories and that widespread voter allegations in the 2020 presidential election were included in his basic political speech, and Trump should never be charged. The delivery of statements and facts that are claimed to be wrong undisputedly for purpose of general appealdenial request based solely on First Amendment, and it shows that prosecution against President Trump is based on content-based core political discourse. And Sadow wrote, expressive behavior protected by First Amendment. He added that the remedy to lying in a free society is not a criminal indictment. The response pure is rational, uninformed, straight lie, simple truth. Quote, the solution is not an investigation by state RICO against the former president of the United States. Sadow wrote, Fulton County Supreme Court Judge Scott McAfee had previously ruled against the First Amendment. Objections. Sidney Powell, 2 of Trump's other defendants, Kenneth Chesebro, and 2 the former president's attorneys, who later pleaded guilty. Chesebro and Powell wanted indictment to be rejected in accordance with the Supremacy Clause of United States Constitution. In his refusal, McAfee concluded that various jurisprudences pointed facts and evidence that